Hey guys, so today we are going to solve one more question from section A of part 1 of CMA USA course. Let's start solving. Let's get into the question. An income statement could be used by an external investor for all of the following purposes except to analyze the company's performance compared to the budget, compare the company's results to those of its competitors, assess the risk of the company achieving future profitability, and predict the company's future revenues. Oh my god. Okay, so this question is kind of technical. You should concentrate a little bit more. Here, the word what they are asking is except. First thing. So, and next word is income statement, and next external investor. Why I am giving more importance to these three words are, first of all, they are asking us to find the odd one out, and the next they are speaking only about income statement. Through income statement, what are all the benefits we can take as an external investor. So an external investor will be getting the financial statements which are published only, not the internal statements. Got it? The internal statements which are used for the purpose of improvement for the company. Okay, these internal statements will not be given to the outsiders. Got it? And let's get into the options one by one. The first option, analyze the company's performance compared to the budget. First of all, this budget will not be given to the external people, be it whoever, be it an investor, be it a lender, be it any person, but this word, the budget, whatever the budget they have created, will not be shown to the public. That's why the correct answer is A. But let's see why the other three are not the correct one. Compare the company's results to those of its competitors. By taking an income statement, I can compare one company's income statement to another company's income statement, and I will get to know who is more better, and assess the risk of the company achieving future profitability. Yes, I can definitely do this. By using last 3 years income statement, I can predict to an extent. I am telling I can predict to an extent that what would be the future profitability. Next, predict the company's future revenues. When you are able to find the future profitability, you will always be able to find the future revenues too, on some assumptions. Got it? So other three are not the answer. Which one is the right one? The option A. Okay, if you have any doubts on this question, just let me know in the comment section.